This could have been prevented. Unstable concrete is an accident waiting to happen. Subsurface erosion, water damage, shrinking soil from heavy loads or void spaces in soil can all cause commercial, industrial, and residential slabs or other concrete slabs to sink or, in worst-case scenarios, collapse completely. And not repairing it isn't really an option. Even without catastrophic collapse, slightly uneven concrete can cause expensive damage to property, vehicles and factory equipment, sinkholes, and even personal injury. There are a few options when it comes to repairing settled concrete. You can rip out the whole thing and replace it, but that's messy, expensive, and not very environmentally friendly. You can fill the void space with cement grout, thereby lifting the original slab back up to its original position. It's called mudjacking. While it's less expensive than replacing the entire slab, it's still messy. It can shrink or crack, or even wash out completely, leaving you with the same problem all over again. Because cement is much heavier than polyurethane, it's likely to sink again over time. Instead, there's a better solution. It's less messy and far more durable than mudjacking, and can be done at a fraction of the cost of replacement. Plus, it's so easy to install that sometimes a crew of 1 to 2 people can do it. Simply drill 3/8-inch holes through the concrete surface. Then inject one of the AP Lift Series structural polymers with the Mixmaster Pro gun that's specifically designed to handle back pressure and is easy to clean. The two components are mixed in the gun, instantly kicking off the expansion process. As the foam expands, pressure on the underside causes the concrete to lift to its original level position, and it will be ready for traffic 15 minutes after installation. It's waterproof and strong enough to support virtually any structure. Why risk a lawsuit or damage to property and person? Choose the powerful, painless, and rapid solution. It's also good for residential applications, such as driveways, garage slabs, and pool decks, and heavy industrial applications, such as railroads, airport runways, and highway bridge approach slabs, or anywhere concrete pavement is used.